Hi guys, this is Mr. Pan speaking. This is a recording of our class that we had on Monday at 10:30 for our grade 1 students. I will go through the video relatively quickly because as there are no students interacting with me, we will use it simply for the purposes of getting through the material. So what we did today in class, it was the short U sound, together with clusters MP and ST, mp and st. So to begin, the students are asked, what do you need in class? What do we need? What we needed are the students' module books, a pencil, and an eraser. And for every class that we do, we will need the same things: a module book, a pencil, and an eraser. So what the students did, they turned to page 3 of their module books and they read the tongue twister. The tongue twister on this page says, "You must run and jump on the bus to have fun with us in the sun." I then asked the students to please tell me how many short U words they could find. Those words were must, run, jump, bus, fun, us, sun. So boys and girls, how that reads: you must run and jump on the bus to have fun with us in the sun. Boys and girls, you give it a try. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Okay, on the module page, page number 3, students were given this task. We have 8 vocabulary words, and the students had to sound out the words first. For example, we start with number 1 over here. Give me a moment. I'm going to annotate here. So we had us, we had but, fun, run, jump, sun, bus, and must. So the students were then asked to please do their best to see if they were able to put the correct words in the correct spot. For example, us, but we went through numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the students needed to put the right word with the right number. So for example, the second word is but. So what number is but? Number 3, but. How about fun? Good job. Fun is number 2. The boy is playing. He is having fun. Next word is run. What number is run, boys and girls? 5. Yes, I run outside. Following that, jump. What number is jump, boys and girls? 4. I jump. Sun. What number is sun? Nice and easy. It is number 8. The sun is hot. We also have bus. What number is bus, boys and girls? Number 6. And the last word is must. Must means you need to do something. For example, you must brush your teeth. You must drink water. In this picture, number 7, I think mommy says, you must clean your room. So what we did, we finished that page. We played a game called Word Wall. And then at the bottom of page number 3, we did look and write. The question in Look and Write today is this. It says, circle the word that does not rhyme. Now, what rhyme means is when the word sounds the same. For example, cats, hats, back, sack, mom, Tom. We went through each word. Let Mr. Pan do that, for example. Number 1, bump, dump, lamp, and lump. And the students were asked which word does not rhyme. So you can see in number 1, ba-ump, da-ump, la-amp, lamp. And number 4, la-ump, lump. Lamp is the word that does not rhyme because its sound is different. With number 2, just, lost, must, and dust. So boys and girls, which word does not rhyme? I think it's lost, lost, because just, must, dust, they all have ust. Lost has ost. Number 3, it says end, 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 and and. You can see that one word is different, and that word is band, band. That word is incorrect. It does not rhyme, so we circled that one. After the Look and Rhyme, we played another word wall game. And what we also did, we watched a Badanamu music video called Fun Run. And Fun Run practiced all the sounds that we used in today's class. What I will be doing is posting that video for you to allow your students, allow your children to watch whenever they are available or whenever they are ready. Let's have a look, guys. Whoa, Pokemon. Everybody loves Pokemon, right?
Yeah.
And we go toward the end of the video. That is the Fun Run video that the students watched. We're not going to play it today. We're going to go forward, and we're going to go to what the students must do for homework today. Okay. So that was the second word wall game. Homework. What the students need to do today is read the DR story. The DR story's name is The Lost Cat. Now, I have already posted a link to both my website and a YouTube channel in which I, Mr. Pan, am narrating the Lost Cat story. So if you would like to watch that, the students can use that and read the story with Mr. Pan. I will also make sure to update that again to the line group so you guys can watch as soon as possible. So, The Lost Cat, the students need to please read page numbers 105 to 110. And that will conclude our lesson for today, Monday, May 24th. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, lovely to see you. Thank you for joining the class and thank you for watching this video. I wish you a happy Monday and we will see you in class on Wednesday. Thank you and bye-bye.